Welcome to Pydle Day 152. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a colorful parrot, so have a go at solving that. And if you need to Pydle or you just want some hints how to solve Pydle or a small tutorial, then watch the rest of this video as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a birthday cake with 14 candles and message happy 14th birthday. Okay, so we can notice that if you go left to right, then every second pixel is a candle. So that would have given 12, and then there's an extra ones, basically making a cross there and making a cross there. So basically if you go left to right, all the odd pixels, and then 2 extras. So I'm going to use just normal coordinates or Pydle coordinates, and this is a trick I learned recently. So you can just say r equals range 5, and then you can reuse that r value twice in these ranges, which saves you a few characters. So for x in range 5, for y in range 5, and now first of all we need to exclude the corners. Now we are going to basically convert to Cartesian coordinates a few times because it's easier to calculate the corners, and I know that's going to cost us quite a few characters, so it may be beneficial to use Cartesian coordinates from the start, but I'm just going to continue with this approach. So you're going to say if, and now we're going to calculate those corners. So absolute value of, and now we're going to convert to Cartesian coordinates. So x minus 2 times 2 minus y not equals to 4. Okay, so let's color the brown first. Okay, made a mistake. Okay, that's the brown cake. Now for the candles, and we're going to do it just inside the statement. So let me just get my candle. Okay, say if now to go left to right with the lines, I'm gonna calculate the index left to right, which is 5 times y plus x. I'm going to take the modulus of that. Okay, I'm going to say else. So that's first of all just the odd pixels. So that is not quite there. We need 2 more candles. We need an OR there. And now again we're going to convert to Pydle coordinates, not Pydle coordinates, to Cartesian coordinates. So we're going to say x minus 2. So you can see if you in Cartesian coordinates, if you do x times y there and x times y there, both of those would be 1. and that's the only place where that would be true, those two positions. Because over there it would be -1 and there it would be -1. Okay, so basically I'm going to do x minus 2 times 2 minus y equals 1. Okay. And I think that should solve the Pydle. Okay. So 103 characters, that's not too bad. Okay, if you've solved this one or you haven't, go back and have a go yourself, and then have a go at the colorful parrot. I didn't really see a lot of patterns here, so see if you can see some patterns. Okay, and I will see you again tomorrow.